JN Suzuki presents Road to Matsuri, honoring the spirit of motorcycling. Come and witness bike stunt shows by professionals, cosplay artists, lip-smacking varieties of food courts. Live performance by the band Colors and One Bha, and influencers like Chiyun and Code Freeman. Come and be a part of activities like wheel competition, treasure hunt, and many more, and get a chance to win exciting cash prize and rider's jacket worth 7,000. All are invited, entry free at Nehu Convocation Hall on the 30th March from 12 p.m. onwards.